In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use AT&T Secure Family Parental Controls. Let's get started. First, download the AT&T Secure Family app from the App Store if you're using an iPhone or from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Then provide your credentials and log into your account. Make sure you are the primary account holder or have permission to manage your AT&T wireless account, as some features for account level access. Once logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your family group. Add the AT&T wireless lines you want to manage and assign each line to the appropriate family member. You may be asked to grant permissions such as location access and notification. These permissions are required for features like location tracking and arrival or departure alerts. Once the family members are added, you can begin using the parental controls features. Open the profile of the family member you want to manage. From there, you can view their current location on a map, create location alerts for places like home or school, and receive notifications when they arrive at or leave those locations. You can also use the app to manage screen time, set schedules that limit internet access during homework hours, bedtime, or other times when you want to reduce distractions. Depending on your child's device and the available features, you can pause internet access for managed lines and create recurring schedules that automatically apply every day or on selected days of the week. Another helpful feature is content filtering. If supported for your managed device, you can enable filters that help block access to inappropriate websites and online content. Review the available filtering options and choose the level of protection that best suits your family needs. If any family member location is not updating correctly, make sure location services are enabled on their device and that AT&T Secure Family app has permission to access location and the device has a stable internet or cellular connection. That's it. This is how you can easily use AT&T Secure Family Parental Controls. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.